Welcome back again to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Bukola, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. You guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking or making a review about this particular face cream. I decided to make a review about it because to a point I am so sure of it, but there are still some things that you need to know if you want to use them. And most of the questions that I get the most all the time is about face cream. And I know it's been a while since I reviewed face cream, and I know this one most of you might have even come across it but not know that this cream as well is effective, or probably you have used it in a way that it doesn't do what it's supposed to do on your skin basically. So what I'm going to be reviewing today is a particular face cream that you can get in your nearby store. Tomorrow is going to be about a particular drugstore face cream basically. The one I'm going to be reviewing today is the Stay Young face cream. I know a lot of you might have seen this face cream, and I know how hard it is to get the perfect face cream. Even there are some people that do not include face cream in their routine. Like currently all I use is a moisturizer. I don't use any strong face cream or any lightening face cream or whatever. All I use is a moisturizer because I have other things that I use on my face that I think they are active enough to help me with hyperpigmentation and as well enhance the brightness of my skin. So but there are some people that are so keen on using a face cream, and I know how hard it is. I know how hard it is to get the best face cream. The same way it is so hard for you to get face cream in the market is how hard it is for me to be able to figure out the one that is so good to be reviewed, and that is why I'm bringing to you this particular one. I know most of you have used it before. I know some of you know about this particular one, and if you have ever used it before, please drop your review in the comment section. I am so interested to know on how it works for you, and if you mix it with anything as well, please drop it in the description box. I really want to know. But I think I have known this particular one, or I think I have been on this review for this particular small product since I think ending of July. And some of you that have messaged me privately, I have once told few of you guys to try it, but I have not made a review about it on my channel. The reason is because I don't just want to come up. I need more reviews because I know it is very cheap and a lot of people are going to be going for it. So I don't want to put out something that I know that is going to damage your skin. So I just really needed to take my time to make the review. I have seen a lot of people drop reviews about them, and I'm so glad some people drop good review about this particular cream. If you are just starting out, or if you just want to try out this particular face cream, please make sure you had anti-reaction cream to it. Make sure you add an anti-reaction cream to it so that it is going to help you. It is a face cream I know, and it works so well. It works so well for sunburn. It works if you have any chemical exfoliant that is a cleanser or a toner, and maybe you have a moisturizer, you can use this cream before the moisturizer. I don't know if that makes sense. Like if you have a chemical exfoliant, let's say you are using a chemical exfoliant as your toner or your cleanser. You guys know chemical exfoliants, right? They are AHA, lactic cleanser, glycolic cleanser, salicylic acid, mandelic acid. Those are basically chemical exfoliants. So let's say you're using a chemical exfoliant as a cleanser or a toner, then you can go in with this particular cream before you use your moisturizer, and then go in with your SPF. Please, if you want to use it at all, or if you're thinking of using this particular one at all, see, I can go on my knees now to beg you, get an SPF. As much as this particular cream is going to help you treat your sunburn, it is still very sensitive to sun. If you use it and you are not using an SPF with it, it is going to give you more sunburn. That's why most products will have worked for you if you have used them in the right way. So if you know you are using this particular one, please try as much as possible to get an SPF to be used with it. You can get SPF. I think they are pretty much good SPF between the range of 4,500 naira to 5,000 naira. So if you're trying out, if this is your first time you want to try out, then you can add some anti-reaction to it. Anti-reaction like like Skin Good, like you can even add an anti-pimple cream to it, like Clean Cap can be added to it as well. as well. And there's another one again that can be added to. I've forgotten the name. I will write the name on the screen. A tube as well, that is an anti-reaction that can be added to face cream. That's Philobat. Yeah, I remember, that's Philobat. You can add Philobat to it, you can add Skin Good to it, you can as well add Clean Cap to it. So let's say you want to use it now, you can decide to just a Skin Good is okay for it. If you want to add, I'm not saying you should add the 3 tubes to it. You can just add like Skin Good to it, or you had what's it called, Philobat to it. Philobat as well is a very good anti-reaction, or you had your Clean Cap to it for acne. So let's now say you want to add Clean Cap or Skin Good to it. You can just divide the amount of Skin Good you want to add to it, and they have the smaller package and the bigger package. I think the bigger package is around 1,006, and the bigger one and the small one is around that 800 naira to 900 naira. In fact, it is now expensive. Before it was around that 600 naira. The very first time I saw it, it was 600 naira, but now I think I'm seeing the big one for 16 and the other one for 800 naira. But it is still very cheap, and I think it is pretty affordable. And for those that have been looking for a face cream, then you can try this one. It is not for dark skin. If you are dark skin and you use this cream, it is going to brighten up your, it's going to lighten up your, not even brighten, it is going to give you a yellow tone. It is going to lighten up your face. So it is not a face cream for dark people. The only thing or the only issue that I have with this particular cream is that it has a probability to make you sweat a lot. So there's a probability of you sweating a lot if you use it. So maybe you can consider, and the fact that it does not even now light sun, maybe you can consider using it at night. If you want to get the best result of this cream, use it straight for 3 weeks. 3 weeks or even a month, you are going to get the best of it. So when you're done treating whatever thing you want to treat on your face, then you can just start using like 3 times in a week. It is a very active cream, very active, and it helps so well with dark spots on the face and help you brighten up your face. So it's a very good cream as well. If you have any moisturizer as well, because I have somebody that as well use it this way, if you have moisturizer and you can just take the cream, you can take few out of that cream, a few out of the stay on cream, add your moisturizer, any moisturizer that you use on your face, you can just bring it out and just mix it with that cream, so at least to reduce how active it's going to be on your face. And that's if you want to be using it every other day. But if you don't want to be using it every other day, please use it like 3 times in a week when you are done getting what you want. So it is going to help you maintain your face color or your face tone or whatever. I know you guys understand what I'm saying. So this particular one is a try for me. I'm not as well a professional, just an advice for me. And you can as well ask anybody, if you know anybody around you that is using it, tell them to tell you their review about it, if it works for them, before you go ahead and try it out. You don't need to buy the big one at first. You can get the small one, and trust me, even the small one can last you for straight 2 months or 3 months, and I am not even kidding. And it is just 800 naira, so you can go and get. And that is all I know about this particular cream. If you have used it before, drop the review in the comment section. Let me know. I really want to know. And if you mix it with anything as well that you know is helpful and every other person can benefit from it, do well to drop it in the description box. There is no need for you to add any other lightening thing to this cream, because it is already a lightening face cream already. So do not add anything to it, and it is very much effective. So thank you guys so much for coming on my channel today. I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.
So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want.